Hello guys, check the vibes, check the feelings. Yes, so since yesterday, guys, I've been wondering which actress would come on board MSTV today. And seeing Queen Sharon Martin, I was like, yes, wow, it is the right time and season for her to grace MSTV once again. Number one reason, because they are commercial combos that do well together on any channel. Number two reason, because the film project a dynamic story that depicts spirituality this time around. So I guess the storyline will showcase so much depth, more like a widow story, and the struggles of a woman being pressured by her in-laws after the demise of her husband, which is conversant in the Igbo tradition, where they have to shave the woman's hair in compliance with customs and tradition. It is just the beauty of culture and what is applicable in each tribe, exemplifying it as a unique way of life. I'm sure it's going to be very, very emotional, and Queen Suran Martin would shed a lot of tears. Sit back, guys, for this emotional roller coaster. The story should take us through a whole new level of spirituality in the African setting and get us entertained. Thanks for watching this beautiful video to the end. Love ya much, much, guys. Take care. Mwah, mwah, mwah.